Welcome to this Pedagogy Premiere digital tip video.
Welcome to ChatterPix. With this iPad app, we can take a photograph of something, draw a line, and record for 30 seconds. This can be used in many ways across the curriculum and is a great way for learners to capture their learning and demonstrate understanding. They can take photographs of artwork, of pages from their jotters, of their whiteboards, of books, or images that they've created themselves digitally. So, let's take a photo. I've got a paper plate craft here of the Gruffalo, and I'm going to tap the camera icon to take a photograph. On the next screen, I can draw a line anywhere on the picture, and then the red record button is ready. It will count me down in 3, 2, 1, and I now have 30 seconds to record about my picture. When I'm finished, I press the stop button and I can listen back. I now have 30 seconds to record about my picture. If I want to re-record, I can press the red record button and I can re-record that 30 seconds. If I'm happy with that, I can tap next at the top. I can add some filters, stickers, frames, or even add some text. Let's tap on one of the text icons. The on-screen keyboard pops up and I can type some text in, choose a colour, and place that anywhere on my image. Then I can press next and I can watch back my video. To save this, I tap the icon in the bottom right hand corner with the arrow pointing down and it will export it to my camera roll. Once the video is in my camera roll, I can share that in different ways, and I could even upload that to somewhere like Glow, or put multiple ChatterPix videos together in something like iMovie. If I tap the gallery now, I can view all the ChatterPix videos that I've created. If I tap the home icon, I get back to my welcome screen. Let's take another photo. ChatterPix is a great way to record book reviews, so I could take a photograph of a book that I've been reading, and then I could record my 30-second book review. But maybe you've been taking photographs using the iPad with your class, and they've been using markup. Maybe I want to put those into ChatterPix. You'll notice in the bottom left-hand corner, there's a little gallery icon, and here I can access my camera roll. I'm going to choose the second photo. I've taken a photo of a Play-Doh tub and I've highlighted that the lid is a circle. When I've put my photo in, I can use my finger to adjust where that picture is sitting. Then I can tap next. Again, I can draw my line anywhere I like. Tap the record button.
Record in 3, 2, 1, go!
And now I have 30 seconds to record. I could use this to record some facts about circles. I can tap next, and I'll follow the same process as before. I can add anything else to my image, or I can tap next, and then the export button.
My beanstalk is 84 centimetres tall. The Highland cattle are famous for their long-haired coats, which help the hairy cows to cope with the harsh conditions of the Scottish Highlands. Highland cattle originally came from Scotland. Highland cattle can now be found in Europe, North America, and Australia.
I liked the cat singing the song and because he stepped in mud, water, and blueberries and strawberries. And I'm the red planet.
Download ChatterPix onto your iPads and explore with your class. What are they going to take a photograph of, and what are they going to record about it?
Thank you for watching.